Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see what is HTTP Interceptor in Angular and how we can create it. So if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss out on my videos. Okay, let's get started. If you want to do some work before sending HTTP request or after receiving HTTP response at global level, then we can use HTTP interceptors. Generally, we use HTTP interceptors for appending token in the HTTP request and handle errors of HTTP response. Let's see how we can create it. Okay, this is our Angular application that have app component and an auth service. So in this auth service, we have one method to get token, and here I have written hard-coded token, but in real application we can get it from local storage. And one method for calling a fake API that is completely free. You can also use it for testing purpose. You can find the link in description for the same. Now we will create our interceptor. So for that we will create a file HTTP interceptor.ts. In this we will create a class export class interceptor, and we will use injectable decorator here. And we will implement HTTP interceptor interface. And we will provide definition for its method intercept. So in this we will just return next.handle, and in this we'll provide our request. So this is a blank interceptor. So here we will append our token. So for appending the token we will need to call our auth service here. So I'll add that here, constructor private auth service. Here I'll get that this dot auth service dot get token. Now I'll provide this token to request. So we need to clone it, like request dot clone, and in this we will use this set headers property, and here I will provide our token whatever my header name is. So suppose my header name is authorization, so I'll provide that and provide the token here. So this is how we can manipulate HTTP request and add the token at global level. Now we will see if we need to do some work after getting response. Suppose we need to check response status. So first we will see for success response. So for this we need to use pipes. So first we need to use tap pipe here to check success response. So suppose first we need to check if this event is instance of HTTP response. If it is, then we can just log here. Suppose we write here log from interceptor success block, and for the error response we can use catch error pipe, and in this catch error we need to return this error again, and here And here we can check if this error is instance of HTTP error response. And if it is, then we can do our things like logging the error and whatever we want to do with this error. So for now, I'll add one log here. Log from interceptor error block. That's it. So this is how we can handle HTTP response in case of success and error both. Now we will add this interceptor in providers to intercept all the HTTP requests. So this is our man.ts. Actually, this application does not have any modules, so we need to add the providers here. And this app is working on standalone components. I have a detailed video on standalone components, so you can find the link in description for the same if you want to understand more about standalone components. Now we will add our interceptor in providers here. So for this, we need to provide HTTP interceptor constant and our class interceptor and this multi to true. This is how we can add it in providers. Now we will go to app component and we will call get data method of service to test our implementation. So my auth service is already injected here, and I'll call that this dot auth service dot get data dot subscribe data, and I'll write a log here from app component, and we can do whatever we want to do with this data here, but for now I have added this log here. Now we will check the logs in browser console. So the logs are coming as expected. As you can see, the first log is coming from interceptor and second is from the component. And we will verify our request token in network history. So this is the network history and this is our API call, and in headers we can check. Yeah, here you can see our token is available. So our request is intercepted. Now we will see for the error response. So for error we can call an incorrect API URL. So I'm updating that URL. So suppose this is the URL and that is incorrect. We should get an error. Now we'll see the logs again. So this log is coming from interceptor, and now we'll see what is that error object. So let me add it. I'll add that error in logs here. So this error object contains all the error information. So we can use this to handle the error. We can add some conditions here as well, like based on status or any other things, and we can log the errors here. So this is how we can create HTTP interceptors. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe the channel to watch similar kind of videos.